Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D shapes on After Effects like this. It's very easy and let's get started. First create a new composition, okay, and go to 3D render and set classic 3D to Cinema 4D. Okay, then hit OK. Now go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it background. Then OK, go to effect, generate, and gradient ramp. Choose your colors. Okay, yeah. Okay, now click on space, okay, then go to tools and create circle one like this. Okay, make it 3D and go here and control, then double click to put this point into the middle. Okay, now I'll go to geometry option. Now I'll go to geometry options and extrusion depth, increase it like this. 100 would be good. Now, if you press R on keyboard and go to Y rotation, see. This is our shape. Okay, yeah. Now go to layer, new light, and I'll choose this color, light type point, okay, and intensity, I'll make it or 200, okay, then okay, and see. To make it highlight, I'll go again to layer, new light again, and change this color, maybe pink, it will be good, and